Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, guys. Good morning. Yes, man. So this is the morning. So we're heading up to Cranberry and family's morning. I'm trying to get through to them phone, but I'm not getting through. So I don't know what's going on with them phone, you know. So we're just here loading up the vehicle and get everyone ready and everything. So you know we have Natisha and everyone is not everyone, most of the team. Some of the team is here. Natisha is here. Who? Webster, what Webster?
Nicky brother, man.
You never know about that. You know. Yeah, guys. So yes, man. So remember the other day was when I went to night market. Last night when I went in that video when I told I went to night market to pick up some stuff for the gentleman. Because there's some breakout was on his skin and everything, and and what Yaya literally sent and give to him. It's been a couple of days since he's been using it now and everything. And to be honest, listen, he's here now and Baja, come in, my general. Guys, I'm telling you, to be honest, like Yaya is something else. The man's a miracle worker, So this is the recipient right here, where Yaya send the product. Remember I was telling you about the things that break out on his skin and everything on his face. And look upon the man's face, fresh and gone. Tell them, and upon his belly, man. There's nothing there. Everything gone, Gone.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Everything, every product
working.
Solid.
When I see the man what there, I say John was there, the man face broke out like fungus break out.
Yes,
and you don't expect say so quick.
Yeah, man, I'm grateful, man.
Come and give me something and I see him. I say
everything.
I go sit down there and see him come out and shout to myself, wait, it looks so fresh.
Yeah.
You understand? So you can see the result.
Yeah,
I never wrong, man.
Skin go down.
Gone, clear up. It is a yara, yeah.
Myself in a again,
Yeah.
I'll meet the eye one day,
Yeah, man. I speak to him last night. I'm saying definitely one.
Govern, man, I tell you. Yeah, man, I give anybody a good advice, man.
Check him out. Yeah. I'm saying more and deal with us some more. I'm something more and clean up for me as well. You see me? So I'm saying I'm not done with it yet.
Yeah, man.
So when I'm done with it, I look like 16. You see me? I say.
See that?
Yeah, man. So we get him done with him, man. 16-year-old.
I meet the man for himself, bro.
Yeah. Because him say he could have to get exposed to some chemical. Or something like that, I say, but him say I'm going to reason with them more and everything.
Get me some product for get the woman one way,
Yeah. yeah, I got that as well too, man,
Yeah, man.
Alright, then big up, man, big up.
Yeah.
But I just tell us, now play with the Yaya,
Yeah, man, Yaya bad man, and we are say, man, one Yaya, man. I never hear a wrong testimony about where the man and the man product, man. Trust me. I tell you the other day when I come and see this man and see him looks, face and everything, and when I look, you could have see something wrong.
Yeah.
I tell you. And this man, I come and sit on crosses and I step up. I say, wait, you look so fresh, how go on?
Yeah.
I hear the man testimony. So people, any form of sickness or anything, man, just check with the Yaya, man. The man have the remedy, natural.
Natural remedy.
You understand?
No,
and we're not putting a plaster over or anything.
No.
You understand? The man a cleanse and clear all sickness. So check him out.
Yes, man. You have
to run, man. One Yaya.
Yeah. Yes, guys, no joke thing, I was saying in the video, I couldn't believe how the man did stay And how the man clear up right now is like it's unbelievable, you know. Trust me, it's really, really unbelievable. Yeah. Pick up yourself, guys. Let me say, just keep in touch with the other guys, you know. So you know the thing. So we're here. We have okay. We have resort, baby.
And here on this trip, not leaving me.
Yeah, that is here on this trip. And we have Orius and Jackson here. And we have the prefect and wow chef. 30 grand gonna meet us there as well too. So the movement of Jack people. Jackson, we can put them thing in our vehicle now. Alright guys, so we just stuck at the audio and picked up some small stuff that we needed, like a piece of wires, receptacles, some more thinner. So not no major stuff we just picked up, you know. We just spent $6,570, you know, so there's nothing much, we just received. So we're ending up there now and going to continue the work soon. So today I'm cooking some rice and peas, fish and chicken. That's the menu today. No dumpling, rice and peas today.
Some of them crystallize.
I mean, I know how that bought.
That crystallize.
That
Them
can
no
just
good.
drop out, and when it drop on the edge,
Side,
how it drop,
yeah.
that make it bust. Hey. If it drop on the top part,
Cool now.
you would have it.
We are do up here, my last, you know.
back me and go on, you know.
I'm sorry, sir.
Oh, she know one of them shoes.
Yeah, you want my brush on the dog? Watch out for that chapter.
Oh, that's so.
The name I want to sit down later.
Yeah.
After that.
Charge. Oh, go on. That's why I call the phone because we are come work.
No, the phone the car now.
Yeah. They call the phone now. Oh, go on.
So now I go down there for a car and them. I want back the back.
Ah, yeah. I go on. Now what kind of juice that make prefect? Now what kind of juice that?
I know it's
Carrot
and pumpkin my blend.
tin milk.
Milk.
Every seed
I see it, yeah.
But me not strain it, you know.
Yeah, strain man.
Boil it. And thing.
We don't strain.
No, them love one, them love smooth things. Cause I get, I never offer a Jonah ball.
Alright guys, so we just reached, just reached, so we're going to work out continue right now. So the other day I got some donation for some of the members then, from Anonymous also, from the US, so we got one put on for Barge and one for Prefect from the other day, so we make them have it now before them start. Barger, we get some selected names to come for some donation.
Okay.
And your Prefect never there here.
Okay.
So this is your Prefect one, which is $8,000 from Anonymous.
Anonymous.
Yeah, Anonymous from the USA.
Yeah, Anonymous from the USA. I'm so grateful and thankful,
for this. Yeah. As you can see, they are do it for the goodness of mankind. And show kindness and them thing there. And if reward come after with encouragement and them thing there, you know, we are grateful and we are thankful, man. Bless up yourself, man, and may your food basket never empty. Blessings across the board. Protection.
And we have prefect. So here is your 8,000 as well from Anonymous from the US.
Anonymous from the US. Respect, thanks, enough love. As the bar just said, you know, I do it from the goodness, I don't know. So we give thanks, bless up. Yeah, man. You know, stay strong. Yeah. Bless up.
Alright, so guys, I see we are going to finish off now. See what we can get done today. We have Resort Baby here.
Oh, my boy.
Oh, charge it?
No, man.
30 grand.
Yeah, right. 30 grand.
I'm going to bring the plate them.
Oh, I'm gone now.
Yeah. Yeah. 30 grand! Yeah. I'm not a cap. So the kids them gone to school, so please they got oh yes. Come set this up back for them, please. Quick and fast down there. Turn back to the same place.
There again, man. The man said, yeah, man, I always have to big up to you, know, man, because I tell you, great feeling and a great, you know. More time I never know how to describe it, but good youth. That's what I can say. Good youth.
Alright. So, you know the thing, but the team is out. You know, a fraction of the team. You know already. So we have Remy here today as well. So, we have Remy here today. So we have enough and today as well in the kitchen. Yeah.
Mix it, you know. We bring another bread too.
Oh, so you have another one again. You have labor.
International and them thing there.
Yeah. So we have enough in the kitchen today. Kitchen is full, all full. Everything full. So we have chicken there and sliced fish there. Man, when I eat the fish. When I eat the chicken. Today, got them tell do some rice and peas and thing. You know, no dumpling today. Rice and peas. We have red rice. Yeah, with some crocodile. So it's been a while roaming in the kitchen.
Yeah, man. Give thanks to them, man. Same here. Big up everyone, same here.
Yeah.
Team team family. Always love when you see me go. But represent to Carl if it out, you know.
Yes, sir.
They are now to that mixture, you know. In the kitchen and mix some chicken in there.
Yeah.
You know.
Cool, man. I'm going to use all them coconut here.
Yeah, man.
Today the coconut, I got the rice and peas, I got juicy and rich.
I'm telling you something. And the world chef I deal with it now.
Yeah, so the world chef.
And not normal, yeah.
So we have some rest out of the kitchen today then?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just some of that, man. Watch it now. I get my line up for Remy.
Yeah.
Because I long time Remy in the kitchen.
Yeah.
So I'm just line up everything and Remy just finish the job.
Yeah.
Labor. Yeah, real chef, so that's it done, you know.
Yeah, man.
So that's it there.
Because this may use my day, you know.
Blend up, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Now they have to go and blend and show, man. Yeah.
There, man.
Blend up coconut. No water in there. Low coconut.
Yeah. You put look one there, water in there.
Yeah, man. We know why we say that, man.
Alright.
We know say less water.
So you have the 2 buckets, them are the fresh water we use.
Yeah. So then
Them have those to wash up and
wash up something. Yeah.
So there's a special taste in the kitchen. It's a Remy and the world chef. Labor, the world chef.
And not the normal.
Yes.
You get it?
Get it?
And get it.
Dream team, you know. You know, all the first the people them see me, but here we go, I'm an original dream team, you know.
Yeah.
I told me they dip on a mission. But when it first kick off, me and one of the man a foundation like the eye.
Yeah.
Like Akeynote. So nothing never change.
Yeah.
You might just know me, but nothing never change, yeah.
Yeah.
Mission did not complete, so we come to the mission and they are back on the ground now. Dream team. One team.
Alright then guys, so that I go on for what I go on. Yeah, that I go on for what I go on. I know the thing go. Let me say this program, the stream team is a community thing. The ones who are willing to volunteer and show the love, you know, you're all welcome. You know, it's nothing but love. That's the initiative to come and show And also you are helping back our community, helping our loved ones across the island, you know. That is it, you know, it's the art of love, art of giving, you know, it comes down to charity, you know. Not a monetized game, just a voluntary game. You know, so you volunteer from yourself, you know. Worship's a true art.
Yes, man.
You know?
Yes, man, I really talk, man.
That's how worship wants the extra hand in the kitchen because he's not usually there anywhere. He just come and prepare and go and leave me alone. Yeah, man, film style, I reckon say extra hand. I'm happy. Yeah. That's all him want to do. I'm seeing him run gone. And we're worship. And we say you have world chef and world chef. Bombard. World chef and world chef.
Yeah, man, America all about me there do it, man.
Yeah.
Carolina, Virginia, man. North Carolina, man.
See there?
Yeah, man.
World chef, you know. And so this, and world me the ground chef.
Ground chef.
Yeah. You have world chef.
And the ground
You have world chef and the ground chef.
I don't know,
You know?
normal.
Yeah.
You know, three will come back together and not normal enough.
Jesus, I'm crying.
Normal, man. Spice right back.
The Amigos chef.
Yeah, man.
The Amigos. Sure, so I'm the dumpling chef.
Every kind of master for the dumpling.
Yeah.
Oats.
So I'm the mass dumpling, you know. Oh, so I'm the dumpling chef, the world chef, the ground chef, and the world chef. Hey.
Fine dumpling.
So today it's not a dumpling thing, so you say rice and peas, but we have a world chef and we have ground chef there, and so sorry, we have enough chef. So imagine how that have a taste.
Yeah. Go for it,
No,
man.
can't show it so. Yeah, after that you can't show it that way there.
I'm going to some pot and show them.
Because right on the way that's how we are walk through as well to kick up. Alright guys, so see the peas are going boil.
Rice and peas here when it's done, yeah.
Nice and peas.
Nice and peas, yeah, myself.
Nice and peas. I'm going to know about it.
We're not going to know about the nice and peas when we're done today. But we're not deal with the rice and peas. And nice
And peas.
done talk.
Oh, nice and peas. That's it name to the guys. Nice and peas. As me say, everything natural in the pot. You know. Round red peas as well, you know. We should go shop that till it drop. Season to the bone. This is some special season there to the bone.
Spice.
You get the curry?
Yeah, man. Call up them in pocket, you know. Call them.
You never send them down, man.
Look like boxes are never seen them.
I think him sending them 30 grand. You know the basket, so? You know the bag there? Probably have them. Oh, see them here.
Oh, see them.
Them in that. Alright. And the little slice fish on the side. Touch on. Oh, shot it.
That's some one shot, you know.
That's some love use all them with cloth.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, working
cloth.
cloth.
Can't deal.
Yeah.
Real talk, man.
I want to ask them to make sure I have that cloth in my hand. You know, we're not perfect, you know. One miss, you know.
And gone.
Yeah.
If you got a sharp knife, I hold them and I go bust out a while ago.
When I
Alright.
use sharp knives, you can't use sharp knife.
No, pandemic, I use sharp knife.
No, overall, me I tell you about me. I use sharp knife.
It's like I was see that sign there. That's there. No, I want some, if I get some bleach.
You leave a cook in there. You get oil. You get oil. Cook it up.
You will leave some of the coconut milk as well for the fish. Fish it down. Where me, Mr. Pot? The pumpkin dumpling. Man, them left you.
Yeah, you tell God to show up, me brother.
Listen, if them money I forget all flour, come with another flour. I know reach on and I just talk about rice. You know? But it's not gonna. Oh, you mean? Oh, you know rice there?
Special why you reach down, sir?
No, sir.
No, we shall reach here.
Left. The man leave them thing there, no worry me.
One way that way, me.
How much curry left back? 2. Yeah, man, I eat that.
Guys, the whole chef, he won't leave him special. He won't leave me, but he will leave the rice, he leave the flour. And leave other stuff. You know?
Special
He will leave all the pot, leave all the spoons, these are the things to wash all the plates. But these things, he not leave them. You know?
I think them that, you know.
Imagine the last time I come here, one time everything set on. I'm going to go and come back here and ask, Genius, guess what? The flour.
Yeah, no, dog. Oh, the flour pay harder than the flour.
Exactly. And then reach here again and I ask, where the rice?
And it have to cook with that.
Baja, he not leave nothing else.
It's to repeat itself.
Yeah, it repeat itself. I hear him come with all this stuff. Genius, I remember this man got the shop and collect the meat and collect everything, you know. He don't even ask, say, yo, Genius, wait, so they need rice?
I have rice, I bring, I have rice. You check the rice, you take out and bring.
Just,
rice.
I just over here say, this man is the world chef, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right,
So
see
we
rice and peas to the man. Man, get the rice and peas to that because of
Yeah.
See rice and peas.
And
Man,
from you know-
give me some rice and peas.
Yeah.
No, no, but you go
Bun, not pack them and cook it in.
Yeah.
Bad man, not even a green.
Nothing left back.
Even now I get bun, fat shine.
Shine.
Whatever I wash up at the so.
Easy wash.
Easy for us. Let's walk.
Pack that ever wash it.
Easy wash.
Man, them clean the pot, man. Somebody deal with food, man. All America, somebody deal with it, man.
Yeah.
People love my food over there.
So right now you have the world chef, you have the ground chef, which is wormy, and you have the world chef, and you have the dumpling chef. A peer chef there. Peer chef.
How will never call a look, sir?
Thumper.
Say a blaze.
Right. Burn out coal, a good thing. So today we're using the jasmine rice. So you know, say
Water.
Tita, alright. Cut one buckle, yeah, cut one buckle for you. I'll cut another buckle for the pop.
Nah, but just still like it tastes of boiled peas fast, I bet. Aye.
Getting the coconut blending, splendid. Him say blending, keep it splendid. Get them. Oh, chef. Let's really. No, but say that, when I come see everything pack up.
Yeah, but the strain, I'm going to take it down, everything I pack up, but through the man start, pack up this, pack up that. Now we everything come down and I think that.
No, brother, no strainer.
Always a left. Always a left. Why?
Pack up something them brother.
I watch it always something essential.
Yeah.
Why?
Rub now left.
Rub now.
This man down the man can organize the thing them to you know.
No, what you mean say? Watch
Yeah,
it.
but we pack up the thing them and a man can't say, boy, what is there?
No, listen up, watch it. We get a simple thing for as a chef, you know where you go want in the kitchen. We not ask the man where what on a chef. We ask you, say you're here.
Some piece I got dealing.
Yeah.
Coconut and once you know coconut always a deal with.
Yeah. But you know coconut deal with.
I'm sure in there.
The guy say, yo, the world chef have a new idea. The man say, yo, coconut trash. This first one, I got in the pot with the coconut trash in the peas pot. You know? The man say, now I got taste that. Yeah, everything got dissolve. I got disappear like it wasn't even there.
Right there.
Right there. So you see there? Yeah, so see we don't have this one of juice already, but him said just throw this one in there with the trash and everything. So by the time this boil out, rice cook out, you won't even see it nor taste it.
No, you don't taste it. You might taste the flavor.
The flavor, but
taste not trash.
but no trash.
Look back and next to look back at them, you know.
That's world. That's how the world chef do it. Not the wow with them. Whoa! Oh, one. Say that because man, the ground needs some.
Right, man.
Need it.
So much onion come.
I just have one here alone, man.
But one here, you can't, you know. How much?
did the pot?
One in
One in there,
there.
oh.
See, I have a red one here too.
Yeah, man, that's we're going to fish, man, the red one.
Red one is here.
Remy.
Watch your waist.
No, at that. Yeah.
Go low, what kind of gold here?
Why for the low, Remy? Must say low.
Somebody to tell us.
Why?
Why we are going to
Get the rice and peas in the pot. Yeah. Love that.
We look at something, you know. See that? Come on, this one.
Ah man, that now can't work. Wait.
Come here, man. Come here.
Alright guys, so we're gonna take a look and see what's going on up here with the work, like the kitchen already copacetic, the rice already set on, the pot them set on, so gonna take a look and see what's going on up by the house. Check out and see what kind of work is going on right now. The sun is red today. Prefect, be careful. You know, prefect on that ladder. I want somebody to balance it for you. Natish! Natisha! Piece out broke. Yeah. Leather here. It's been lean. Should have a longer stick. Should have a longer stick. Good enough?
One when I carry,
Yeah.
too fat.
Too far.
No, only here. Charge you have to cut this. I stick your time in this. Leather now. To go for them.
So guys, so tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. You're looking good.
Look over there. You can't do one of them part, the same time.
Yeah. Natty. Oh, I come brace a leather here for prefect for me. Can't be the prefect drop off for me. Just come sit right on it. Yes, so I go inside of the house. Eh? Yes, sir. Oh.
Bad for him stomach now. Master wash again. You'll be able to eat.
So Kenisha sleep Kenisha sucking finger. Yeah. Kenisha suck finger. She need a soda. You need a soda? Five. You want more stuff mix up?
No. I use out that S, so it's good now. I use time from that. Pipe up in this before I put on the tile.
Oh, you pipe it up first?
Yeah.
Do what? Prefect is over them spot the way we see I try for reach, you can do it from inner so.
Yeah.
Say now if you stretch too much. So the pipe is gonna come through. True, yeah. Straight in the bathroom. So Barger's gonna do the piping now before him start to do the tiling. So here they got the outside light as well too. So they have light as well to the front and the back. They have the switches them. So definitely today they're gonna have some lights. I'm gonna get rid of all these wires today. You know, all these wires can get rid of. I will work with the official plug-in with them up. It's more like a wireless, you know. Wireless they're gonna have.
You know, so we're shot a piece of wire.
Eh?
You shot a piece of wire.
Shot a piece of wire?
You want to plug the bathroom for the kitchen.
Alright, you want to know.
Wait.
When the rest of something them we buy, when they buy drain and them something, where them there?
Look at me, that's all.
Some things we buy drain, you see. Remember we buy them. When the rest of something them?
You have some?
Some of them are put in this. But them they come out for this. With them, yeah?
We buy a drain, floor drain.
In your shower?
No, in a shower.
Shower.
And what I know, we never want, we gonna need one of the single lock off them.
Oh.
The way you name the in a shower.
We're supposed to put the whole of them, yeah?
Yeah.
In the box, yeah. Come,
When I need them, I have to go buy it then.
Never call. We buy the first time we buy the floor drain.
Yeah.
There's something there. Alright, we have a elbow. We turn out 1 foot. So we want a threaded elbow. Now one threaded elbow. And now we need a single shower mixer. And 2 mil of that.
That's where I don't know what you're going to need. Hurry, just make him write down where you want to go.
Yeah.
And we'll get them and come back. So these are the after, you know, and this over here is the before. So this is the before all the two steps.
I understand. The kitchen
Alright guys, so I'm gonna head to the hardware quickly to get back some more stuff. You know, I got a list of some stuff because there was some stuff that bought and was here but they can't be found. So I'm gonna get back some more stuff. You know, like the twin and earth wire, get more twin and earth wire, get the floor drain that we did buy that already, but they know where it is. They don't know where it is. I get a tangent as well to get the male adapter, thread tape, female adapter, and the shower mixer. So I'm gonna get those and come back. So I'm heading back down to Papi to get these and come back. Eh? Me Macal? Tin set? Alright. And a tin set as well too. Alright guys, so I just put the stuff in, so I literally spend so I just spent another $18,689 buying some more stuff. You know, so these are the stuff them as well too. You know, with the mixer and all the stuff. and more wires.
Look at it. What's going on?
Tin set. And also tin set. And also tin set. So that is it for now. So we're gonna.
And a box of flatty.
Couldn't find one deep one.
They come to relax.
Alright guys. So yeah, so just reach up the hill. Just reach up the hill. And whenever you come up the hill with anything. Eh? What you say? Yeah. So guys, just literally reach up the hill. You know, trying the team set. Trust me, it's an exercise. Alright. Okay.
So you know me that one instead would have been the right thing.
Oh. You never have none, you ever asked him?
I say I'm not done. No, somewhere in the
Tin set.
How am there?
Yeah, call him.
Yeah,
Call him through them. So guys, so he was barging and putting on the mesh, kind of the tile, the counter. You know, the counter is going to be tile, so this is the mesh on top of it, you know, to hold the cement. You know, so the tile could go on the top. The right one.
I don't remember this one. Boom, All-Star Sound Clash. On Thursday, March 5th, 2023. Place to meet at the All-Star HQ 153 Olympic Lake East on 11. Featuring Cold Red Sound, Super Bowl Sound, Game Changers, Red Heat Sound System, July Sound, Sound Revolution.
I'm not selling a piece of this stuff. So them give this alone. I'm just going to give the whole thing. Buy that piece of this scoop on.
Scoop on. Oh.
Saturday, March 7th, 2026.
But I now realize.
You're the one with everything there.
Musical judgments by Dynamite brother and Notorious Shadow.
So now no could have go in the pipe hook up on that.
No man, I can't go in after it done time.
Okay.
And the elbow them, the trade elbow them are going to do the work.
Charge your back.
Yeah, some
yeah. Okay, so it expand now.
ready in a bed and just catch up in a hand.
Sunday, March 8th, 2026.
Oh, you have to go up a shop.
6:30
Yeah. Oh, when they go there. I revamp there.
The Crown Challenge, capture prizes. Largest corporate team walks away with $300,000. Largest school team walks away with $200,000. Fastest gym team walks away with $200,000. Visit them at www.runningeventsja.com for more information. Something to remember.
You flip around the corner.
Yeah. For Lady Amber, right? So,
yeah.
So remember to follow IRFM on all social media platforms.
Flip around the corner.
Handles are on Instagram, it's IRFM Official. That's one word, IRFM Official. On Facebook, it's IRFM. Yeah, that's one word as well. On TikTok, you can find us at IRFM 107. On X, you can find us at IRFM_IRI_FM rather. Irie on the you know what I mean? Let's see some more time now we're here. Doing the easiest champion show filling in for one of the love Vader. The great Amber, you know. Yes, I think I'm gonna leave y'all with this track right now. You know, one of the smartest show from them time until now. I just want to say thank y'all so much.
What's my avocado there? So the twin on earth, dug in the earth. That's the grounds now. So that's the ground coming right down.
Axle blade.
So guys, so this is the prefect is doing a wonderful job with the paint, as you can see.
Never use them today. So the party will leave, but I will put that in the wall.
Alright then guys, so today you're back in the kitchen with the world chef. I go and prep. And these are the seasoning for the fish, right? Right, so right now things looking great, man, I lie. Things looking really great. So we have some more coconut milk here. Some more coconut milk for the fish. You know, while I'm cut up the okra, the carrot, the Irish, you know the thing. You know, that's all right. Nice and peas ready, where chef?
Nice and peas ready, my yes side.
Cheers!
It's a nice and peas, that's how we go to work, you know, well shelly.
You call the thing exact.
We call it shell done.
No, shell down. Let's
we don't deal with shelling either.
Yeah.
So what you call it?
Ready.
Nice and peas, ready.
Yeah, so we call it ready. Because the man cook the rice precise, right at the rim. Nothing over, nothing less.
Yes, man.
Everything you know, everything go.
That's for sure you say.
Nice and peace them say. Of course.
Yes, sir.
Right on top.
Yes, sir.
You know, red and ready. Yes, red and ready. And over here, oh, this is the sliced fish.
Yes.
Okay. Woo.
We're going to brown through that fish right now. The ingredients and I prep for the fish right now.
So this is what's gonna brown till it's true. You know, the thing go well ready. See that's ready guys. So the thing go. Them say world chef and not you know word thing. And the curry ready already. You see it there? And the curry ready. The curry look beautiful.
Yeah man, the ground chef that man.
Yeah man, the ground chef.
Yeah,
yeah man. Wow! This is curry.
Yeah man, I eat man.
I eat man.
Tell man I eat for sure man.
And the ground chef do that one.
Yeah, man. Real man.
The ground chef. Oh, you can smell it too.
Yeah man,
you can smell it. Ah, so the ketchup just arrived here. The ketchup just arrived. So see there guys. So you know so the Dunnings them there on the world chef, ground chef and dumpling chef. You know, so the first now go and relax little. You see me? No cooking, just looking and videotaping. You know? Because none of the chef them not no raping thing.
No, we don't do
no. Say, it's a tape? The chef them no rape. It's not here. You see me? The pot them are going to rape. With no rice grain left in it.
Yes man.
You see me? Def.
Rape off the pot.
Yo. Why the curry look like it ready, but what chef cook feeble in a hurry? Well, yellow. I see if the yellow on the Jamaica flag looks so.
Yeah, so these are the vegetables for the brown stew fish. So you guys, if you want to find out what I have cooking up here, I have some carrot diced up. I may have some potatoes, I have some okra. I have some scotch bonnet pepper, I have some scallion diced up in it. Of course, I'm going to put some bell pepper.
Yeah.
We call it sweet pepper here in Jamaica.
For overseas, most people call it
bell pepper. Of course, we have a great onion, you know what I mean? Scallion and thyme also. So, yes, you guys, you're going to see the turnout when we finish. And I'm nothing now, man.
And it's a world chef.
And I'm the great world chef here doing it.
Yes, it's the world chef. You have the wow chef, the ground chef, and the dumpling chef.
Remember that. So now the world chef is at work right now. Yeah?
Right,
guys?
Yeah. Guys, so we're play a film part and go and well a vibe. I go and wait till when the simmer down, everybody nice. Because right now, red onion. This is how the
Dice and dice.
Of course.
So well colourful.
Right.
All over panin.
Ready now. So the onion are the best onion, you know, healthy onion. The red one is the best one. Well healthy. You see me? Too much of that it can't plenty. I'm sure. Fix the nice and peace pot. You know, so right now we're gonna be ready for that.
Alright, so
we have the time. We now talk the time on your risk.
Yeah,
At the time of the watch.
as you can see, world boss. This now I'm going to cook down the fish in a some more. That show the oil. The best place we can show this.
Yeah, man, show it behind there, so.
Yeah, man.
So that is that.
Over in the bushes for labor.
Yeah. I'm going to go and soak my foot liquid in the water while labor.
Two, you take already genius, man, right?
Yeah.
Alright, now go back in there. I don't mix that thing, set here, I go wash out my face and my foot. Yeah, man, right now I'm feel cold, brother. Now go back in there.
Is it in the cold?
No, watch it now. The water cold, you know what it is.
Get the feet. Run it up the spine. You can hear me now. So guys, nature, you know, surrounded by nature. Up in Mama River, trust me, up here is paradise. This is a miracle ground where all miracles take place, near and far. You know, so at least we can watch cooking and go on and wait to eat. You know? Yeah. Taste the world chef food to see what it tastes like. Right, you know. Go and soak my foot a bit in the water, you know, and go and wait for the food to ready. World chef I think round chef the round this I go and relax. You know, world chef I don't know where but it's about the place somewhere. So that's how we're doing it right now. You know. See it and the world chef is at it. So the fish just dropping out of the pot. And from you see the color of that, you know that is coconut milk you're looking at.
Coconut fish, you know?
Yeah.
Brown stew, coconut fish.
See me what it on up here in the labor lane. Yes, it's at the best spot. And people chicken can't come close to that. One of them day I make the man cook some curry chicken with some coconut milk. It works same way.
Curry chicken?
Yeah, with coconut milk.
Yeah, it can work.
Of course. A coconut milk is supposed to work with anything. The difference. Not only fish, it can work with chicken. So the man can enjoy some of that. I make a whole chef deal with whoever is here. Can you never do that one day yet though?
No, I never do curry chicken with coconut.
Alright. So imagine when you do that.
I never think of that still, you know. Because you see coconut, it's on the curry that it give you a swaggy look, you know.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with the swaggy look. You just use a little bit, you know, to catch a flavour. Because how them can boil soup, you know, and coconut milk in the soup.
Right. Well, I never think of that idea before.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because we never come across with the curry. With like curry shrimp with coconut, yeah.
Exactly. And
but
curry fish
no,
with coconut.
Yeah, but
so chicken
part,
the same thing.
I never come across that one.
Okay.
I think it can work.
It can work.
Yeah.
Because I'm a creative chef, you know. You know? So we just don't say alright then. This can work with that.
So this now I go simmer for about one another 10 to 15 minutes and
yeah.
good
So
to go.
keen now, good to go and all the ship dark. You know. So look at that.
They call it brown stew coconut fish. Vegetable well diced up and nice and thing. Fish well fry up. Fry the fish crispy. Then we done make a nice coconut sauce.
Yes. And that is that.
Right. So we can simmer for the next 10 minutes time.
And we're ready to go.
And we're good to go.
Good to go. World chef. No man, I say world chef, I say world chef. I want ground. I want dumpling chef. Yeah. Look at June. Wow chef, come in and clear up time. Yeah man, wash out them here. Get the table them light up.
That can dash. I guess you want it, but we don't need that. I do it for coconut still.
Yeah man, that was the plan man. Say if we make it, we could have make it more richer with less water.
It's rich still, you know.
Yeah, we could have even richer.
I think that I see this.
Yeah, rich man.
I think that I see this is rich.
Yeah. Food are for real rich. I say I should have dropped some in that pot here. In that curry pot here.
No, I know me do that, you know.
You know, Remy, you never try that yet, Remy?
No, put milk in it.
Yeah, my curry to make it run a belly.
Exactly. No, or you can eat curry fish with milk.
Yeah, man, can cook.
Curry shrimp.
Yeah, man, can work.
Can work with that. Or you boil soup with coconut milk tonight.
Can work, man.
I saw that think the logics are cooking, you know. Exactly. Now what? Chicken tikka, yeah. Of course.
Curry thing there, them sugar cream.
Yeah. A creative cooking, you know. Yeah, that they need liquid.
Yeah.
If I'm not good at anything, I know I'm good at them things.
Yeah.
When you come on to the kitchen,
Yeah.
I swear to God, yeah, man,
Yeah.
master them things, brother.
That is it. After master of something, you know, you can't jack off all trade and master anything, you know.
After master one of them.
You're gonna have problems. Go that way.
Listen, not too much baja.
Mix man, come and you turn the bathroom.
Listen, pull it up back.
Yeah. But watch me not throw water in it and make sure the bottom might mix up. Like
Watch kitchen counter.
Yeah. Bottom might.
Charlie, watch kitchen counter. Watch kitchen counter. Because anything above the bill that watching, you know, you think official. Well fitted. Official, you know. Official, guys, you see that? Beautiful. Smooth and nice. Easy clean, easy wipe off, you know? Easy wipe off, you know? Yeah, and I made them chop nothing.
They chop up nothing for it, you know.
Tell them already, man. Nah, the choppings.
No choppings.
Telling is one. Pot already, you know, Baja.
Yeah?
You all pot them down there already, you know.
Me here, man. Yeah, so that one. Charge it, when you one more.
Alright guys, so prefect getting the work on. Where say it's working now? Yeah, cut them down there. Cut them down there. Guys, the place looking. Yeah. It's a good look, prefect.
Right,
sure, you know. Beauty, boy, we never give a contract for painting, guys. We don't want a painting job done, we have to go link up prefect, you know.
That is it.
You see me? Just give him the contract and done. Dream team have everything in it.
Yes, man.
You know?
It's a package.
Yeah, we have Madla saying resort baby there, she's modeling. She not come work, you know, she's modeling. She just leave the river and walk up. My make Rasta Jackson lock stand up in her head, you know. So guys, now she just come out the river and I come. Yeah, I make Rasta Jackson locks stand up in her head right now.
You know, I have a bottle of cars, we have no way. You soon know. What is it?
Bone. Alright, so the electrician are going with now. Wire coming down. So when you see wire coming down, let there be light. Oh, and there is light in the house. Right there, so. Kitchen, let there be light. No more wired. Done. We got plug. You know? Switch. Yeah. Put it on there, man. Put it on there. Nana, some switches. Nana, turn it up, man. Turn it up, man. Turn it up. Hey, turn it back. Hey, good, Nana. Nana, flicking switch now, Baja.
That's one a long time.
Flicking switch. Yeah, man. No more wires in the building. And the kitchen counter looking beautiful, man.
That's one a long time.
Alright, Nana. So I go another room right now. What? Plugs, no wire. Guys, I see the place get wireless now. TV plug in wall. They got plug right here as well too.
Yeah.
And as you can see, light is there. Let there be light. Yeah. Switch again. Yes. And the next one, that one, the outside. So you have outside light as well too. Right here, so. This is the outside one right here, so.
Just clean but easy.
So they have the outside one right here, so the boat not gone in as yet. You know. So let there be light. So I go on in the next room now. Wow. Light. Oh. So the whole place light up. Oh, fan can plug in now, you know. So fan can plug in now.
You can plug in now.
Yeah, plug in fan there for them. See there way. Fan can plug in now. Charge, let there be light. No more wire. Where's the wire? Them I'm gone. Place wire free, you know. Wire free, guys. Look, no more wires. Excuse you, piece of wire or your antenna. No more wire. The place is wire free. Thanks to Orius, you know, electrician in the building. You know, break a panel and cover them. Oh. Okay. And there's one in here for the bathroom as well too. There's one there for the bathroom.
Yeah.
Place wireless now. Like Wi-Fi.
Can keep holding on light enough.
Place wireless like Wi-Fi,
What you mean,
brother.
man? Everything come to perfection, you know?
Yeah.
That's it for that.
Right, that's
You don't have to worry about no electrocution.
No. She name Tara just use the bathroom, brother. My flushing. So when I buy, I don't worry about them this. Oh yes. I trade them I use already?
Yeah.
One that
Yeah, team, one is a one.
Oh, so this
The one the bright, the one on the bright.
switch that, see. Next one. Alright.
Gone clear.
Yeah. The whole place when them you couldn't want to let them turn
You can
on.
put a bright one out there.
Oh, get the bright one.
And put that one there yourself.
This one though.
Yeah.
Put the bright one.
Put the bright one in.
Oh, so need one more light run at the back.
Yeah, one from the back.
And the bathroom.
Put the one in the bathroom, the one in the boiler, in the bathroom right bright.
Let there be light outside. Let there be light. So don't forget a brighter one for you not then charging. The school, this alright, like our bedroom light. Yes, the place look lighter. No wires about the place. No more wires. You still use it? Nana, you find the bag? You see the bag?
Yeah.
Yes, Roger.
Yeah.
No?
Official.
Official. What that?
Tackle.
Get rid of that wire there.
Yeah.
Unnecessary.
That's all unnecessary again.
Yeah.
We're not the way in there now. Bye, bun.
So them have this right stuff for the fridge. I get a fridge, so fridge.
Plug down there.
Plug is there for the fridge. So it's for fixes and things, you know.
Must not we must flush it and me mother.
One a safety way in
So about you're not ready for food yet?
That one you look at time I'm come. You know what you
Okay.
why eat you
We're on wheel time, body bread one time.
I want to use them time then so. One thing. At least everything the one.
I live here right now.
What's this up? We even know say we think you don't have a river.
Alright, give me this bag right now. So right now we have a bag here. Call your mommy. Ken. So we have a bag here. I was at the night market. And I met one of our extended family. And she brought this bag with some slippers. Her name is Sister Pet. Yeah, we met her at the night market. So, and this is one whole heap of slippers for the kids them. So it's Sister Pet.
Sister Pet. On behalf of me and the girls. Wow! Thank you so much. And may God bless you. And make everything this year for you be successful. Thank you so much.
So thank Sister Pet.
Sister Pet, thank you so much. And make your basket never empty. And thank you.
Sister Pet, thank you so much. And may God bless you.
This is like a year size.
So we give thanks to
That's mine.
Sister Pet.
No, this is mine.
You know, so for these slippers here for
This
the family from Sister Pet. You know.
Mom, look here. Mom. This
See the sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Sister Pet, we thank you. So Cranberry. We have to Sister Pet. You know.
And thank you so much.
Yes. Well, my size there. The pink one. But it's got a size that's not there for Toko. You know, these are, so.
Like Cranberry.
No, no, for that of Tara.
Charge you, none can fit charge you.
No,
You look for everything?
Yeah.
What can I buy? What's that?
it's come like a sheet. It's like a sheet set.
Sheet set, right?
And
Curtain. And one woolly slippers. No man, small slippers. You know, look like at the bottom. I see him.
This look like
Charge.
Stop it me.
Look at it.
Kina, this
Let me
don't
see
fit me.
This is picture.
Kina,
This can't fit you though.
Kina, this don't fit me.
So we thank Sister Pet for these slippers for the family.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you about that. She going to tell you about
them see you last
she
time.
just going to tell you about that.
Yes.
Yeah, man, Sister Pet, man.
Because them say that one day to get in. Did you get in?
Yeah.
You got sure. Sister Pet, you know.
I just go mention your name, Sister Pet, man. I just click back on me, which I know some pet, but yeah. Thanks again, man.
Sister Pet,
yeah. Because she tells me that she ever take in it.
Yeah. Because we see her, because she coming for Yaya as well too, so she bring them come. You know, so
Sister Pet, thanks again, and your daughter, your husband, and because the whole family made it. So. Yeah, man, a blessing again, man. Blessing again.
So we give thanks, Sister Pet. So boy, the house looking beautiful now, Chargy. Coming on, you know. The place wireless, like Wi-Fi. You see the kitchen counter.
Oh, you get the pencil.
You see, now kitchen counter. They make them chop anything on it. Because once they chop, it will chip up and it will broke. Not chopping.
Thank you, Uncle Baja, for fixing the table.
Why not bright?
And the lights.
Bright.
Thank you, Rasta, so much. Horace, thank you so much. And may God bless you. And may everything that you're doing this year be prosperous. Thank you. Team, thank you so much.
Yes. See the guys' kitchen looking beautiful. So now with the plug right here for when the fridge drop right there. I don't know, say yes, and have the plug right there. Stove go over there. Is it me?
Yeah, that could have gone on that. Oh, Judge, did you make one table for the microwave?
The microwave could have gone on top of the fridge.
On the top of the fridge.
Yeah.
Take off them here for me. I just run the perfume.
Yeah. And please, you see, or for wipe off back. As soon as you finish,
put this in our fridge.
Make it dry first.
You see, whenever you put anything up here, so for just wipe it back off.
Mommy, take up the pepper.
And I show you another thing. And I'm not sure, look how hot is this thing. These are the things where show the water, make the pit them know so they
I'm not to show anything outside, because you hold it up and down there, so. Can you have to start discipline them, you have to put down your foot, you know. I tell you, because when you have guests turn up and the guests them realize oh, the place looks on them, just fix it up. It's not gonna look good for that time. So now guys, Badger is gonna attack the bathroom now. So you have switch for outside. No, right there, so there's no bulb in that one. There's no bulb in that one. So both in here, so. So these places need to, you can also fix as well to and straight right here. So here's the pipe there in the wall, and the mixer is already in. You can see the mixer is in and everything. So Barge are gonna finish tile off in here now. So when this finish, beauty. So Barge have to flash out the wall so it can be on a level. Because the wall never level, so you have to do all of that. So when the tiles sit, everything sit on one level. Beautiful.
How the water? Talk, up some water.
Let there be line. But I have to fix all them things.
Them ceiling.
Yeah. I have to go buy a ply as well for that road now.
Yeah, them buy Solitex.
Solitex.
1 with 3.
So yeah, I have to tell them how much to buy and buy. This room, guys, as I said, we're gonna buy the Solitex as well to on the 1 with 3 for in here as well too. So I'm sorry.
What about the light?
It's gonna be there. Nothing gonna happen to the light. It's gonna still be there, see me. It's gonna still be there. So let there be light and there is light. Yeah, that music I say, Stone.
Yeah, because the next before Margaret came, we need a pressure woman to she want to go yard. So not going to come carry her yard.
My God.
Alright guys, so you know the thing goes, so we have the world chef under the business. You know what I mean? So the world chef right now is share and everything, so I'm to the man and finish work. Now everyone finish work, so we have the world chef go and deal with the thing. The world chef sound close to what we chef, you know. You have to make sure you pronounce it right, you know. World chef, not wow chef. With a big pot of rice and peas in front of him.
You see, I call them there when I share, just put them back. Put them all the way down the fish
We all laugh at Chucky boy. I said the man I gonna make bag and she gonna make plate.
She gonna make plate.
Yeah.
We are in the pit that I look at.
I'm pretty sure you want to make
So today's special edition is by the world chef and the ground chef. You know. Yes. Nice and peace there. Yes. The world.
Some people can't eat too much rice, you know.
Well, I bring them home.
Show them the mountain. Some eat rice like that mountain there.
I like them.
Yeah. I like my rice higher.
Well,
Yeah.
Now go for anything.
Yes.
Right.
If I get top of everything, make some more.
Yeah.
The plate first.
Yeah, rice for days.
I run off the meat. What's that? I'm going to run off the meat.
Oh, so we're not done with the rice then, man. Yeah. Alright then, don't say alright then. Alright then, cool.
So I tap up back every man plate. See how that go on. Every plate I get back a tap up.
Then when you can bust up them pieces and drop in some 1 and 2 plate then. Put piece from barger plate. A barger of 1 piece of fish. Piece of 1 piece of fish. You know 1 piece of fish too?
Body plate. Evil Stevie, you know?
Kids are getting, so imagine how for them rice I go look.
Yeah, man, heal them and get them.
Blue Mountain. So see the guys, we have the ground chef and the world chef. They're making it work today. Red rice. Nice and peas.
Yeah.
Body can't bad, you understand? Body, everybody play ram up. Record it. Watch yourself, right there.
Now see the curry time.
No. Because you can't do everything you want to. You have to just put a set.
Yeah.
Make sure so everything half a set.
Somebody the world way. Is that the inner city way? This is the world way. So enough time tap up. Watch the curry splashing.
Just the black of our morning.
Right, so look at this.
Yeah.
See there?
Come on.
Beautiful.
Yeah, black. I think I can the 9 thing set up. Like we did a film about on Friday. On Friday, my
You know about 9 and then funeral thing first. You know about 3 days. But now we're a funeral thing that you like one time. Smuggling thing. Smuggling thing and all the other things there. The thing and be a music a play.
Dance, just a dance. Dance that people.
Let's go. Yeah.
This you go on with the top up.
Yeah. So should agree with the patat. This the patat. I put gravy on the wall of the rice then. On the rice then. As I'm that's the pot I come and say lift up the pot in your hand.
No, it's that man.
That. Prefect, come here. Oh yes, come Charlie. Pull longer.
Like a real family, you know?
Yeah, don't fuck over yourself. Jack, take a bite. Yeah.
Not talk.
Eh? Come out there. Come, Nana, come. You want gravy on the rice? You can give you gravy on the rice.
Who are them? No, I talk to them.
Anybody want a piece of fish pan?
Get fish? Yeah. So you have ripper.
Gravy on the rice then.
Yeah, ripper. And chili.
You have it done? Gravy on the rice.
And it's left my boom.
Yeah.
Give thanks to the world chef and the ground chef, to the exclusive
official, you know?
We're out the kitchen of Uptown. Now we have the world chef, labor, manners and respect.
Anybody want to taste fried fish?
I think piece there also.
Oh, yeah, piece. You know, nice.
World chef, you know?
World.
Because I'm going to touch some meat, pea rice.
Pea rice, though. At the rice, the man them said them war over the last time, you know. Right.
Rice, me a rub all over the place.
Yeah. The nice and
Cuss and I say, oh, what?
There's so much food there.
Still can't get the next time.
Our chef now for cook no food. That's all them want here.
Some rice and peas to me.
Come from Puma, cook up the food.
Take out a little rip of them. Toko, Kenisha, Tara, and Cranberry. So Toko, Kenisha, Cranberry, and Tara. So that's the four. Nobody got the fish, and everybody get it. So boom one at the pot then. I say no, but I just say I know him not touch the meat. I say I know him don't touch the meat. That's the rice alone. Yeah, the rice alone. You know, the world chef, you know, and the ground chef, you know. So you know it work already, you know. Rich. You know the coconut well rich in the rice. Well rich. I'm not trouble. Cranberry, come please.
That's almost a cranberry up here. It's cranberry. Always here, that.
Where's the moment? Come back?
You know, come back and now. Thanks.
You guys know, my time now for the eat. Is it? To enjoy the world chef and the ground chef, you know? Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.